One of my dreams actually, nung tinanong ako ng tita ko, kung ano gusto kong maging o kukunin, graduate na ako ng high school. Sabi ko, tatlo. Either gusto ko maging teacher, gusto kong maging artist, kukuha ako ng fine arts. I used to draw. And gusto kong magpare. And then my tita told me na, oh, your tito who's a Jesuit, he decided to become a priest when he's 32. Sabi niya, oh, you decide when you're 32. When I was 31, nagpunta kami ng Holy Land. Tas masaya sa Holy Land. Pero nothing special was being felt by me 'no. Hinahawakan ko yung libingan ni Cristo. Okey, masaya pero walang special. Pinagpanganakan ni Cristo, hinalikan ko. Lahat yun. Nung nandun kami sa Saint John Bacharem, sa kung saan pinanganak si Saint John the Baptist, hinalikan ko yung supposed spot where John the Baptist was born. And then, believe you me, parang may, alam mo yung malamig at mainit na kuryente na pumasok sa katawan ko. And I started crying without any reason at all. And pinagnilayan ko yun throughout the rest of the pilgrimage. And then I kind of got, kung ibig sabihin, I will not be in persona Christi, in the person of Christ. I will be John the Baptist who will prepare the people to listen to those who are in the person of Christ. So hindi yun ang calling ko, hindi pagpapare. Ang calling ko ay maging taga-suporta ng mga pare sa kanilang ministry. Like John the Baptist.